you Asian?
Yes!
So what kind of knees are you?
Knees?
You know, like a Chinese, Japanese, Vietnamese, Koreanese, Philippines.
This Christmas, I want an
Yeah, I'm gonna beat your ass. I'm gonna beat your ass.
Gerald, don't use that language! Oh, I'm sorry, Mom. Can you still make me mac and cheese?
Started, baby, ain't no stopping in.
バレンタインの日告白するから放課後開けといて。放課後大丈夫そう。心の準備して。はい、もう顔赤くないだってそれほぼ告白してるじゃん。あ、言い換え忘れて。
It's a strawberry. Yep.
What design should I do on this dragon? Do not copy the dragon idea and the base. The art too. I saw some copies of that dragon, so do not copy.
Ashley!
Look at me!
Wait, tomato.
Tomato, tomato.
Tomato.
Wait, tomato, tomato. Hey, let me sing, man!
Shanice.
Yeah?
Your mouth is moving a lot like a rat. Yappa, 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 yappa. Shut it, please. Thank you, Shanice.
Shimmy, shimmy, you shimmy ya, drank, swallow la la.
Alright. Tag the creator. Tag the person I copied. I dare you.
You will fear me.
I recognize you, but I'm not afraid of you. Not anymore.
Hey, Italian man! Huh?
What is going on here? Oh!
Can you guys shut the fuck up here?
Hey, Italian man! Huh?
What is going on here? Oh!
Can you guys shut the fuck up here?
Hey guys, just came back from dance class. Michael, what are you doing in my room?
and overall very ugly. Bootleg plushies should be avoided at all costs. They are fake, ugly, gross, awful, and worthless. Besides, why would anyone ever want one when they could get a real plushie? This has been a public service announcement. Don't get a fake plushie.
Three, two, one, go!
Wait a minute, my mic is not on.
We were playing in the sand, and you found a little band. You told me you fell in love with it, hadn't gone as I planned. When you had to bid adieu, said you'd never love anew. I wondered if I could hold it and fall in love with it too.
How do I meet the strangest men? They always seem to find me. Remember that time way back when I kissed a guy who ate his women friends? Now only dogs will follow me. Is he following? I bite at the hand that feeds me, slap at the face that eats me, some kind of animal cannibal. How do I meet the strangest men? They always seem to find me. Remember that time way back when I kissed a guy who ate his women friends? Now only dogs will follow me. Is he following? I bite at the hand that feeds me, slap at the face that eats me, some kind of animal cannibal. How do I meet the strangest men? They always seem to find me. Remember that time way back when I kissed a guy who ate his women friends? Now only dogs will follow me. Is he following? I bite at the hand that feeds me, slap at the face that eats me, some kind of animal cannibal.
You niggas done messed up now. We getting money, cars, clothes, and we might just bag your hoes. Real trap season.
Three, two, one, go!
Thank you.